Hello everyone, here are some random videos I saw online.
This plane engine was falling apart on its way to Hawaii. This is the debris falling from the plane engine that you just saw.
Where's Josie? Holy shit. I know. Grab the dog. I don't know what it is.
Power line was malfunctioning and this ended up happening.
I got it. Power going out. Go home. Go home. That's it.
Logan, I believe I got this. Fire.
Come on, bud.
This person made some rings that can actually glow in the dark and they look pretty cool. Here's an owl that really hates losing. This person made some tiny doorways for these cats.
Oh, she's coming.
That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and hopefully I made your day just a little bit better. Later.